Other project of the association, Christmas gift giving and Christmas tears for children. Donation of 300 t-shirts for Bantay Bata sa Gift Kapamilya volunteers on December 7, 2006. Christmas gift giving and tears to 70 FWRC girls in Singapore on December 16, 2006. Another project of the association, 9 days Christmas feeding for the poor at Barangay Tabuco, Naga City, which benefited 3,150 persons on December 23 to December 31, 2006. Pamaskong handog sa Barangay Tabuco for 425 persons on December 25, 2006. And the distribution of vegetable seeds for 100 families at Barangay Panikwason, Naga City, January 4, 2007.